Moske Migos Ogamba nigo tukutera chinkwana unachisemi nigo chiakongere asinse ya Kenya. Moske Migos nigo aene kiribuna chibesa chunsi chiganeri ase chiskuru ngo chichire kubwato kwa. Moske Migamba ose Ogamba nigo boigo akwana chinga kibirengerero awigendrete kwena kiwa igoriye chisemi ase chiskuru nemerobilio ya serikali guchia ase chisemi.
And that will start with the peace. It actually starts with us as a ministry presenting what we require, and then they'll work towards it from what they have, so that then we can have as much money as possible to support that program. But there is, in this country, a tendency of people just taking things out of context and making a story out of it, which is not there. Nobody, for example, nobody has ever said that we are reducing the money from 22,000 to 1,600. That was, I don't know where you got that from. Even my colleague never said anything close to that. But that is what you picked. So I would like you to give Kenyans the true position. You are all products of the education system. I don't know why everybody is so hell-bent on painting education as failing in this country. When even the English you are speaking, it is English that you've gotten through that education system. And we are working very hard to ensure that we do not shortchange our students, we don't shortchange our children, so that we give them the very best. And this is not, it's not a one-person show. It is everybody comes in, the MPs come in, the county governments are in supporting us through bursaries. We have other international organizations supporting us in doing infrastructure. You've heard here, there is an NGO that has done water for this school. So as we support each other, we'll be able to overcome those challenges. I would rather you guys came up and said, we know of a facility that we can get from here, or we know of a better way of doing this so that we can get the resources. Rather than just saying, it has collapsed. It has collapsed. And you know, we are producing the very best human resource capital in Africa because of our education system. And we are not going to fail. We will not fail. We will perform. We will deliver. The children will be in class. Transition will happen. And those problems will be resolved. Whether it is through supplementary or otherwise, we will do it. We are supposed to send 22,000. And that's what we are working towards. Yeah. We are working towards sending the 22,000 shillings for secondary. For example, primary, we've sent everything. It is 1,420. I'm not so sure about how much we've sent for senior school, but for secondary, for senior school and secondary, we're working towards ensuring that we reach the 22,040.